Welcome to JH. Today we're looking into getwowband.com, an online store that wants to sell you stylish and functional accessories for your smartwatch. Because clearly, your expensive Apple or Samsung device is just a naked tragedy without a $50 strap to keep it company. They offer cases, screen protectors, and various bands. But the big question is whether this site is actually legit or just a very pretty way to lose your lunch money. Let's dive into the details. First, the goodish news. Their domain was registered back in August 2023, meaning they've managed to survive for over a year without being chased off the internet. While a bit of history usually suggests consistency, in the world of online shopping, it's about as much of a guarantee as a weather forecast in London. They are also active on Facebook and Instagram, putting in the work to look like a brand that actually cares about its customers. It's a nice touch, though we all know a social media presence is often just a fancy coat of paint on a crumbling fence. When it comes to the actual products, they offer everything from sport and leather to metal bands. If you want to give your watch a stylish upgrade, they certainly have the catalog for it. However, when we looked for actual user feedback, things got a little quiet. Their own website features 0 reviews, and Trustpilot is a total ghost town. Over on Reddit, users pointed out that their premium prices are a bit rich considering you can find almost identical designs on AliExpress for the price of a cheeseburger. It's essentially the luxury experience for people who enjoy overpaying for convenience. Then we checked the Facebook comments, and that's where the red flags started waving violently. Multiple customers have reported the classic nightmare scenario, paying for an order that never ships, dealing with non-existent customer service, and struggling to get a refund. Some people claim their orders took months to arrive, which is fantastic if you enjoy receiving gifts you forgot you bought for yourself. Between the shipping disasters and the lack of communication, the wow in Wowband might actually be the sound you make when you realize your package isn't coming. Putting it all together, while the site looks professional and has a pulse on social media, the actual track record is a bit of a mess. The lack of independent reviews and the mountain of complaints about shipping make this a very risky place to swipe your card. Honestly, you should probably think twice before hitting that checkout button. There are plenty of safer options out there that won't leave you wondering where your money went. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.